Because in some of my common thoughts and talks to you, I have been saying, if we can find a worker like Tony, who does all the things, alin sa pagtulog ng bubong, hanggang sa paggawa ng septic tank, habang doon sa pag-repair ng mga sahig, lahat-lahat. I call for him and Tony does the work. With his people there, yung mga taga-auxiliary. The following day, he reports to me and said, work accomplished. I am very happy about that because that is one problem solved. In one of my casual talks with some of you, I was telling them, and I am sincere about this. If we have a man like Mr. Villanueva, ay Dakwang, si Willie Rito, at sa inyong lahat, I said, I singled out on these heads. Kasi dami niyo, hindi naman kaya, single out kayo. I think I will not have a problem. And I said, if you have a worker, if the workers like Mr. Villanueva, Tony and Willie here, walang problema ang university. And my father said, kung may mga tao tayong nagtatrabaho, gaya ng mga UP employees, wala tayong problema.